Yo, this one's for the Deere, the 4955. From a junkyard wreck to a star that thrives. Bassin, we're making it big. From January to July, what a wild gig.
In January we founded, gearbox all broke. No shine, just rust, this ain't no joke. By March it's on the move, heading to our spot. Seat chewed up by a dog, yeah that's what we got. A few days later, torn down to the bone. Cab ripped off, engine standing alone. Front axle out, planetary gears in pain. But we're fixing it up, no sweat, no strain.
4955, now you're a star. From scrap to spotlight, you've come so far. From January to July, we fought so hard. Now you're back on the field, showing off your art.
April brings hope, first parts get their shine. The seats reupholstered, the dreams taking time. By the end of the month, the cab's back on top. A Deere in progress, we don't stop. By May, it's rolling, looking all fresh. Final touches in place, we give it our best. In early June, the masterpiece is done. A Deere reborn, ready to run. On the 7th of July, it's ready to go. We snap some pics, let the camera show. Boom, it's sold, shipped across the sea. Too cheap, maybe, but that's how we be. The next one's waiting, our work's never done. Bassin, we're second to none.
4955, now you're a star. From scrap to spotlight, you've come so far. From January to July, we fought so hard. Now you're back on the field, showing off your art.
For every Deere that comes, we're ready to grind. From wreck to legend, that's our state of mind. Bassin, we're bringing the shine. Every tractor we touch gets its time to climb. This was your journey, but we keep on. The next Deere's waiting, our team stays strong. From rust to perfection, that's how we roll. Bassin, tractors with soul.
4955, now you're a star. From scrap to spotlight, you've come so far. From January to July, we fought so hard. Now you're back on the field, showing off your art.
Yo, this is the 4955 story. From rust to glory, from broken to bold. Bassin, rewriting history. One bolt at a time, the next Deere's already in line.